What are you telling Mommy? What are you telling Mommy? You want to climb up but there's no room? What? There's no room? What do you say?
Bye-bye.
Whoa, there's no room. There's no room. So what were you telling me? Yes, I know cheese, but what were you telling me about no room on the couch? There's no room? No room?
Soccer, but school.
No, that's basketball. Score. What are you telling Mommy? You can sit on the couch, no room? No room on the couchy?
Mommy, soccer ball stuck.
Soccer ball stuck? What do you mean it's stuck? No, you're not supposed to pull that all around. That's the basketball. What are you doing?
Oh, God.